This is your space test. Number 1. The diagram below shows the relative positions of Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. The Moon is shown at 4 possible positions around the Earth. Which position of the Moon could result in a solar eclipse? A. Position 1. B. Position 2. C. Position 3. D. Position 4. Number 2. Why is the timing of tides predictable? A. Because winds are predictable. B. Because the moon's path is predictable. C. Because ocean water density is predictable. D. Because the sun's movements are predictable. Number 3. The figure below illustrates ocean water levels in a location on the Florida coast. So here's high tide, average sea level, low tide, and then the sea floor. What is the tidal range in this location? A. -1 meters. B. 0 meters. C. +1 meters. D. 2 meters. Remember, you can rewind and repeat any question you need to. Number 4. Identify the location of Earth in its orbit when the hours of day and night are equal. A. Solstice, which is winter and summer. B. Equinox, which is summer and winter. C. Solstice, which is spring and autumn. And D. Equinox, which is spring and autumn. Hello, everybody. Hello. Number 5. The Earth's axis is tilted. This is part of the reason we have what? A. Seasons. B. Days. C. Years. D. Months. Number 6. Each lunar cycle has one full moon in which the relative positions of Earth, the Sun, and the Moon form a straight line. Which list represents the position of Earth, the Sun, and the Moon during a full moon? A. Earth, Sun, Moon. B. Sun, Moon, Earth. C. Moon, Sun, Earth. Or D. Sun, Earth, Moon. Number 7. What type of tidal range would occur in the image shown? A. High. B. Neap. C. Low. D. Spring. Number 8. The cycle of the moon's phases repeats in a predictable way. About how long does it take to cycle from one new moon to the next new moon? A. About 1 day. B. About 1 week. C. About 1 month. D. About 1 year. Number 9. How long does it take Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun? A. 1 day. B. 365 days. C. 180 days. Or D. 365.25 days. Number 10. The diagram below shows how Earth spins on its axis, causing day and night. Here's the axis. Which term describes the movement shown? A. Tilt. B. Orbit. C. Rotation. D. Revolution. Number 11. When it is winter, the United States receives the least direct solar energy as compared to the rest of the year. Why does this happen? A. The northern hemisphere is closer to the sun. B. The northern hemisphere is farther from the sun. C. The northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun. D. The northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. Number 12. The graph below shows tides in Boston Harbor. So this is the graph. Which statement best explains the shift in times of high and low tides each day? A. The moon rises and sets earlier each day. B. The sun rises and sets later each day. C. The moon rises and sets later each day. Or D. The sun rises and sets earlier each day. Number 13. Which gravitational pull has the greatest effect on tides? A. The sun's gravitational pull on Earth. B. The moon's gravitational pull on Earth. C. Earth's gravitational pull on the moon. D. The sun's gravitational pull on the moon. Number 14. In the illustration of an eclipse, what do we call the darkest cone-shaped shadow? So right here. A. Total eclipse. B. Penumbra. C. Partial eclipse. Or D. Umbra. So A. Total eclipse. B. Penumbra. C. Partial eclipse. Or D. Umbra. Penumbra, sorry. Number 15. How often does the moon pass over a particular spot on Earth's surface, causing tides as a result of its gravitational pull? A. 1 every 10 seconds. B. Once every 12 hours and 25 minutes. C. Once every 24 hours and 50 minutes. D. Once every 14 days. Number 16. Although half of the moon is always illuminated, usually only a portion of the illuminated side is visible from the Earth. The diagram below presents the relative positions of Earth, the Sun, and the Moon. The positions of the Moon are labeled 1 through 8. Which moon is in the waning crescent phase? Is it Moon 2, 8, 6, or 7? So A is 2, B is 8, C is 6, D is 7. Number 17. Eclipses are predictable solar system events. The answer choices below list relative positions of Earth, the Sun, and the Moon. Which list represents the position of Earth, the Sun, and the Moon during a lunar eclipse? A. Sun, Moon, Earth. B. Earth, Sun, Moon. C. Sun, Earth, Moon. D. Moon, Sun, Earth. Number 18. Which term describes the periodic rise and fall of the water level in the oceans and other large bodies of water? A. Current. B. Neap. C. Tide. D. Wave. Number 19. The part of Earth that is tilted toward the Sun changes throughout the year as shown in the diagram below. In what position would the southern hemisphere be in spring? A. Position A. B. Position B. C. Position C. D. Position D. Number 20. The phases of the moon are the regular changes in how the moon looks from Earth. In which phase is the moon not visible from Earth? A. New moon. B. Waxing gibbous. C. Waxing crescent. D. Waning crescent. Number 21. What type of tidal range would occur using the illustration? A. Neap. B. Spring. C. High. D. Low. Number 22. Sometimes the moon looks like a crescent. At other times, the moon looks like a half circle. What makes it possible for you to see the surface of the moon from Earth? A. The moon gives off its own light. B. Light from Earth is reflected by the moon's surface. C. Light from the sun is reflected by the moon's surface. D. The moon absorbs sunlight during the day and glows at night. Number 23. Using the diagram, which number is a waxing gibbous moon? A. Position 1, 2, 3, or 4. So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. Number 24. The tilt of Earth at 4 different times throughout the year is shown in the diagram below. At which point would the United States receive the fewest hours of daylight? A. Position A. B. Position B. C. Position C. Or D. Position D. So again, at which position would it receive the fewest hours of daylight? Number 25. Cassie is writing an equation to show the effect of the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon on tidal range. Which equation would Cassie use to show the effect of the sun and the moon on spring tides? A. Sun plus moon equals spring tides. B. Sun plus earth equals spring tides. C. Moon minus sun equals spring tides. D. Earth minus moon equals spring tides. Number 26. The tilt of Earth at 4 different times throughout the year is shown in the diagram below. So you have A, B, C, and D. In what positions would we be experiencing a solstice? A, position D, B, positions A and C, C, position C, or D, positions D and B. Number 27. When do neap tides occur? A, during the first and third quarters, B, during the new and full moons, C, during the waxing moon phases, D, during the waning moon phases. Number 28. Using the diagram, which number is a third or last quarter moon? So which of these numbers? A, 7, B, 3, C, 8, or D, 2. Number 29. What season is the northern hemisphere in? So here's the northern hemisphere, because here's the North Pole. So what season is happening now? A, winter, B, summer, C, spring, D, fall. And then we have our last question. What change would occur if Earth's rate of rotation increased significantly? Hello? Yeah, I'll come right down. Thanks. So again, that's what change would occur if Earth's rate of rotation increased significantly? A, the year would be shorter. B, the year would be longer. C, the day would be shorter. Or D, the day would be longer. Again, remember you can repeat any question, just go back and rewind. Or if you want to re-listen it all, you can pause this at any time if you need more time to answer something. Make sure you check all of your answers and make sure you feel confident with all of your responses.